In 2017, AWTG were a part of a consortium that successfully bid for match funding from DCMS. This was to build the UK's first 5G Industry 4.0 private network in Worcester. The consortium was led by the Local Enterprise Partnership and had a range of partners including Worcester County Council, the 5G Innovation Centre from the University of Surrey, Kinetic, Worcester Bosch, Yamazaki Mazak, the Malvern Hills Science Park, the Heart of Worcestershire College, AWTG, Ericsson, Huawei, Telefonica O2 and British Telecom. AWTG designed, built and operated this award-winning testbed. This is our story. AWTG are delighted to have been a part of the W5G Consortium from its inception to the end of the second phase, exploring the value 5G could bring to manufacturing. Our role as systems integrator means we design, deployed and commission the network. Next, we delivered the use cases that produced the exciting results regarding improvements in performance and productivity. Over the life of the project, we experimented with infrastructure from different vendors and learned a great deal regarding mobile edge computing, network slicing and spectrum sharing. We invested a lot of time understanding how to optimize a private 5G network to work more efficiently for industry, and are pleased to have delivered the first 5G Industry 4.0 network in the UK.
We deployed a baseline 4G network and operated it very close to the LTE's theoretical limit. We then upgraded to 5G by deploying 5G new radio cells. Indoor and outdoor cells were deployed and connected to an open source core network developed and hosted by the 5G Innovation Centre, which is 5GIC at the University of Surrey. At the end of 2019, we migrated from the 5GIC core to a local core solution at a commercial grade private network platform was therefore established. The private network allowed flexibility and unrestricted access to optimize the network design for better applications performance. We identified opportunities to uplift the 5G performance as the volume of network devices increased. The private network can be designed and tailored to achieve optimum operational performance for Industry 4.0 unique applications. W5G have established an end-to-end 5G network. It is commercial and built to high spec. It is ready for the industry application developers to test their solutions. When we began in 2018, it was the first time a 5G network had been deployed in a factory environment in the UK. AWTG's network design and operation experts applied their 4G expertise and 5G theoretical knowledge to design a quality radio network that was able to operate in challenging factory environment. At every stage and in every test, 5G performance was shown to be superior and more reliable than 4G as expected. AWTG used all our expertise to ensure the integrity of the benchmark results. We achieved success because of the collaborative culture established by the W5G Consortium. The culture meant that AWTG were able to deploy the network on time and under budget. The results from the testbed use cases prove 5G benefits Industry 4.0 products and applications. Use case benefits from 5G were due to faster data rates and a marked improvement in service availability. In the case of augmented reality remote expert and visual monitoring use cases, 5G was able to handle multiple streams of 4K and Ultra HD video. 5G's capabilities meant we ran out of cameras before it reached its performance limitations.
The evidence is clear. Using the right technologies and a safe pair of hands, 5G will transform industry, especially manufacturing. From the production line, logistics and distribution to post-sale support, 5G makes a real and measurable difference. It can improve productivity while reducing costs, and AWTG now has the skills and experience to deliver this around the world. What you've just heard helps explain why This week, Research and Markets.com have included the Worcester Industry 4.0 Testbed and AWTG in their 5G Industrial Game Changers report. The UK as a whole can and will benefit from private industry-focused 5G networks and has the spectrum, the people and the technology to make this a reality. AWTG want to thank Mark Stansfield and the wider 5G Consortia for putting their trust in us, and DCMS for selecting this testbed that has overachieved against its original objectives and paves the way for the future of doing business.